Once upon a time, in a bustling village in Africa, there lived Nala, a beautiful young woman, and Juri, her rival. Nala and Juri stand face to face in the center of the village, surrounded by curious onlookers. Their eyes blaze with determination as they prepare to confront each other over their shared love interest, Simba. Juri, you have no right to claim Simba's heart. He has chosen me, and you must respect that. Respect? Huh? You think Simba would choose a plain village girl like you over someone as alluring as me? You're delusional, Nala. The tension in the air crackles as the villagers whisper amongst themselves, eagerly awaiting the outcome of the confrontation. Nala wanders through the silent forest, her heart heavy with doubt. She knows that Juri's words have planted seeds of insecurity within her, threatening to consume her with jealousy and fear. Whispering to herself, am I truly worthy of Simba's love? Is he drawn to Juri's beauty more than my own? As she ponders these questions, Nala hears a rustling in the bushes nearby. She tenses, expecting an attack, but instead, she sees a wise old woman emerge from the shadows. Nala sits across from the wise old woman, her eyes searching for answers in the depths of her wrinkled face. Please, tell me what I must do to win Simba's heart. I cannot bear the thought of losing him to Juri. The wise old woman smiles knowingly, her eyes twinkling with ancient wisdom. Child, true love cannot be won through competition or comparison. You must look within yourself and find the qualities that make you unique and worthy of love. Only then will Simba see the beauty that lies within your heart. Nala nods, her resolve strengthened by the old woman's words. She knows that she must trust in herself and her love for Simba, regardless of what obstacles may lie ahead. As the villagers dance and sing in celebration, Nala approaches Simba, her heart pounding with nervous anticipation. Simba turns to face her, his eyes shining with affection. Simba, there is something I must tell you. I have realized that love cannot be forced or fought for. It must be freely given and received with an open heart. Simba listens intently, his expression softening as Nala speaks. I love you, Simba, with all my heart. And if you choose me, I promise to cherish and honor that love for all eternity. Simba gazes into Nala's eyes, his heart swelling with emotion. Nala, you have always been the one who truly understands me. I choose you, now and forever. The crowd erupts into cheers and applause as Nala and Simba embrace, their love stronger than ever before. And as for Juri, she watches from the sidelines, realizing that true love cannot be won through deceit or manipulation.